Hello YouTube. In this video, I'm going to compare between an upgraded IMS shower head with a stock Gaggia shower head. Before we begin, here are the list of parts that you will need for this upgrade. The links are in the description below. I've had the IMS group head upgrade for over a year now, and I've been getting consistent and delicious espresso shots with this setup. Not to mention that I have also modded my machine with a 9-bar OPV spring and a PID temperature controller. The video link is up in the corner of the screen if you'd like to do a similar mod to your machine. The current group head setup is due for cleaning, so I thought why not make a comparison video to share the outcome. So here I'm removing the shower screen, brass group head, silicone gasket, and then dip it in a hot bath with Puly's Espresso cleaning solution. So once everything is removed, I fixed the original Gaggia shower head, rubber gasket, screen, and also the portafilter basket. Then once everything is fixed up, I turned on the machine and filled the tank with fresh water. Once the machine is fully warmed up, I then flush the group head. Here you can see how the water channeled through the stock shower screen, and some areas don't have consistent water flow. I'll do a side-by-side comparison in a short while. I then ground 16 grams of coffee bean and pulled a 30 grams of espresso shot. This shot took longer compared to the IMS screen, and I get a slight bitter and burnt taste in my espresso. So I got 34 seconds for a 30 gram of espresso. This definitely took longer, and I can taste bitterness in the shot. The coffee puck also looks slimy and wet in this case. Next, I removed the stock shower head setup and installed the IMS shower head setup after it's cleaned thoroughly. The silicone head gasket also lasts longer compared to the stock rubber gasket, as the rubber ones will get hardened over time with heat. Brass is a good heat conductor, so it is advisable to get this brass head to ensure faster heat up time and consistent temperature throughout. Here, I'm putting everything back together and then pulled the same espresso shot. Notice how evenly distributed the water through the IMS shower head here. I'm also using the IMS Nanoquartz 16 to 18 gram basket and insert it into the portafilter. So I'm pulling a similar 16 grams to 30 grams of espresso shot with this setup, and I'm only getting 25 seconds of yield. I can taste some fruity notes and less of the bitterness which I've had in the previous espresso, and the coffee puck looks slightly drier compared to the previous one as well. So here's a side-by-side comparison. Again, notice the water channeling through the IMS compared to the stock Gaggia. And also the comparison of shot times between two different group heads. In conclusion, the IMS shower head has a bit of advantage over the stock Gaggia shower head. The hot water flows evenly and distributed nicely, and I can get more consistent shots time after time. Well, I hope you find this useful, and as always, please comment, hit the like and subscribe button if you like my content. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.